Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss R.S. Agarwal chapter 21, that is perimeter and area. So, in previous video we discussed many things related to perimeter and area, and in this video we will discuss exercise 21C. Clear, student? So now in this video we will discuss the question based on some diagram. Clear, student? जैसे question of first is given. This is your question of first. First we will draw the diagram. So you have to draw the diagram very carefully. This is a square. 1 2 3 4 5. यानी 1 2 3 4. यानी 1 2 3 4 5 square. And again this one is like that. Clear, student? So this is your diagram, and in this diagram you have to find out what? You have to find out area of the square. Following figure are drawn on a sheet square where count the number of square enclosed by each figure and find its area. Talking the area of the each square. Acha, you know that, student? This all are given area of 1 centimeter square. Clear? So if 1 square is given, okay, whose area is given, area equal to 1 centimeter square. Clear, student? Yani if 1 square is given, whose area is given, 1 centimeter square. It means what, student? It means the area of 1 square is 1 centimeter square. So how many square is given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Clear? Yani total area of the figure is equal to what? Total how many square has given, student? 12. And area of 1 square, yani 1 diagram equal to, student? 1. So we will write down 12 centimeter square. Clear, student? Why? Because area of 1 square is 1 centimeter square. So area of total square is 12 centimeter square. You will multiply by 12. Clear, student? So by this you can find out the solution of this question. If full area is given, so you will take 1 centimeter square, and if half is given, so you will take 1 by 2. Okay, so now come on question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is also based on same pattern. First you will draw diagram. First we have to draw the diagram, and diagram should be correct. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 square is given. 1 2 3 4, this is 5, and last one is 6. Clear, student? And again this one is also a square. Clear, student? So this is okay. Now next is some half part is also, this half part is also given. Clear, student? So this is your diagram. You have to find the total area of the diagram. Now you know that this is 1 2, sorry, this is also 1. All are of 1 centimeter square. The square of 1 square is 1 centimeter square. It is given, and this is half. This is also 1. So you know that area, total area 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Clear, student? Total area of figure is equal to what? Area of 14 full square. Clear? Plus area of 1 half square. Clear, student? It means what? Area of 14 full square and area of 1 half square. अब you know that 14 full square, यानी ये 14 full square, यानी 14 multiply by 1, because area of 1 square is 1 centimeter square, and 1 half यानी 1 multiply by 1 by 2, because if this one area is total half, so this 1, so this is half, na? So half of 1 यानी 1 by 2. So this will become what? 14 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5 you can write down. When you will divide, you will get 0.5. So this will come 14.5 centimeter square. Clear, student? So this is your solution. 14.5 centimeter square area of total figure. Clear? You have to see ki how many total full square is given and how many half square is given. Clear, student? So I think this question is clear to everyone. Now come to the next question. So our next question is, student, question of 4 I am going to tell. This is a triangle. This is a triangle, and how many square is given? 1, 2, and this one is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is your given diagram. Clear? Now you know that this one is full, this is also full, this is also full, this full. Okay. So total how many full, student? So if you have to find out area of this, yani area of figure. If you have to find out area of the figure. Clear, student? So how you can find out? Total how many full square is given? Yani total 6 full square is given. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full square is given, and total half, how many half given? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yani 4 half means, student, 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Clear to everyone? Now this will become what? 2 2s are 4. Clear? So area of figure equal to what? 6 plus 2 equal to 8 centimeter square. Clear, student? I think this is clear, because you have to find out area of the figure. Ab area of the figure, total 6 full square is given and 4 half square is given. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also half, this is half, this is half, this is half, and this all are full square. Clear? So half means 1 by 2 into 4. You will get 2, and 6 plus 2, 8. So this is the solution of this question. Okay, and rest of question, student, you will do yourself. Clear? Now come to the next question. So next exercise is 21D. Our next exercise is 21D. Exercise 21D. Clear, student? Now in this exercise, what is given? It is given, find the area of the rectangle. Now you know that what is the formula of area of rectangle, student? Very easy. First question is given. You have to find out area of rectangle whose length is 46 and breadth is 25. Length is 46 and breadth is 25. This is given centimeter, this is also in centimeter. Clear? Now area of rectangle, you know that area of rectangle equal to L into B. Simply you know that area, length is given what? 46, to write down 46, multiply by breadth. Breadth is 25, to write down 25. Clear, student? Now multiply this. So 46 multiply by 25. 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, plus 3 23, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8 or 9. Clear? This will become what? 0, 5 and 11. Clear, student? So this will come 1150 centimeter square. Student, if there is any problem in multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, maybe, so you have to check. Clear? So this is your area of the rectangle. So only you have to use formula. You can solve all the question based on this. Clear, student? So now come to the next question. What is next question is given, student? So next question is given, find the area of the square whose side is given 14 meter. So you know that area of the square equal to what? Area of square is equal to side into side. You can solve easily. Now I am going to solve next question. Next question is question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is given, the top of a table measure 2 meter 25 centimeter. Clear? And next is given 1 meter 20 centimeter. Now you have to find out area. Now student, you don't know कि which one is length and which one is breadth. So I taught you ना कि length is always greater. So 2 meter 25 is greater, and breadth you can take this one. Another thing what I explained, student, you have to change in single unit. Single unit means कैसे meter is given, this should also be in meter. So this will become what? 2 meter तो same, plus 25 centimeter, so this will become what? 25 upon 100. This I explained many times, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So this will become what? 2.25 meter. Is that clear? Next thing is 1 meter 20 centimeter. 1 meter same, plus 20 upon 100. Clear student? This will become what? 1.20 meter. Clear? Now you have to find out what? Area. Area equal to L into B. Area equal to what? Length is given 2.25 and breadth is given, student, 1.20. Clear? Now multiply this. So 12 5 just 60, 12 2 ja 14, 14 plus 6 20, फिर 12 2 ja 24, 24 plus 2 26. Clear student? तो multiplication you will check once again. By this you can solve this question easily. तो there is something mistake. 12 5 ja 60, 12 2 ja 24. This will be 27. Clear? Now count decimal. After decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit. So total after decimal there should be 4 digit. So area equal to what? 2.7 meter square. Clear student? So 2.7 meter square is also correct and 2.700 is also correct. Here 10 always. Clear student? जैसे when you will multiply 12 5 ja 60, 12 2 ja 24, 24 plus 6 60, फिर 12 2 ja 24, 24 plus 3 27. Clear student? And decimal you have to use after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit. यानी total 4 digit should be after decimal. So after decimal 1 2 3 4 digit. So here your answer is this one. Clear? This is in meter. Clear student? So now you have to convert in same quantity, then you will find out your solution. Clear student? Now come to the next question. Our next question is given. A carpet is 30 meter, 75 meter long and 80 centimeter wide. Question number 4. A carpet is 30 meter, 75 meter long and L equal to 30 meter, 75 centimeter. Clear? And breadth equal to 80 centimeter. Find its cost at rupees 150 per square meter. Yani you have to find out cost. What is given? Cost is given rupees 150 per meter square. So first you have to decide, student, you have to find out area or perimeter. You have to find out area or perimeter, you have to decide this one. So I explain, if cost is given per meter square, you have to find out area. If cost is given per meter or per centimeter, it means you have to find out what? Perimeter. So first for this you have to convert in same quantity. This is given 30 meter, 75 centimeter. This will become what? 30 plus 75 upon 100. Clear? So this will become 30.75 meter. As you know that. Next is given 80 centimeter. You can write down 80 upon 100. You can write, it will become what? 0.80 meter. Clear student? Now find out area. Area equal to L into B. Yani 30.75 multiply by 0.80. Clear? Now when you will multiply, it will come what? 8 5 ja 40, 8 7 ja 56 or 4 60. 6 8 3 ja 24 and 1 0 extra. So when you multiply, this will come after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit. So total after decimal there should be 4 digit. So here you will put decimal this 24.6, after decimal 4 digit. So you can also write down 24.6 is your meter square is your area. Clear student? Next you have to find out what? Next you have to find out cost. So total cost equal to given what? Cost of 1 meter square equal to 150. So total cost 24.6 multiply by 150. Clear? Now multiply 15 6 ja 90. Table should be learned. 54 ja 60. 60 plus 9 69. Okay. 52 ja 30. 30 plus 6 36. Clear? And 10 is given. So 10 here we will put because this 10 left na. After decimal 1 digit. So here you will put decimal here. Clear student? So this is our what? This is our total cost. Clear student? So total cost is 3690.0 and here it will be in rupees. Clear, student? So this is the solution of question of 4, student. Clear? I think this question is very clear to everyone. So only we have to check कि this is given in same quantity or not, मतलब same unit in or not. So meter is given, so you have to convert in meter. Everything you have to convert in meter. This is also centimeter, so you have to convert in meter. Clear? Now when you convert in meter, so you have to find out area. Why area? Because cost is given per meter square. Cost is given per meter square. Yani you have to convert in, you have to find out area. If given per centimeter or per meter, you have to find out what? Perimeter. So here you find out area, and cost means multiply by the cost per meter. So you multiply, answer is this. So I think this is clear to everyone, student. Now in next video we will discuss the next question. Thank you, students.